Alright, so it's Christmas Eve here, and I need to get Rosie a gift that she doesn't know what it is, because she's already got her gift. Well, she hasn't received it yet, but she knows what she's getting, because she's very hard to buy for. She is always happy and always content and doesn't want anything, which is really, really cool quality to have. However, when you're trying to find a gift for someone who doesn't want anything and doesn't hint because they're very happy with what they've got and very thankful, it's very hard to come up with something. So I thought it'd be nice to find something that she had no idea what it is, and that got me to thinking, maybe I should print her a photo. The only other time I've seen it is in the advertiser. If you haven't seen that, link up here. But I thought, you know what? Let's print a photo, and there's a photo of MJ, her dog, I took down at the beach, and the only problem is I have no idea where the raw photo is. So I need to look through that mountain of hard drives. So I'm only about 3 or 4 hours behind schedule. This game has been very distracting. Jason Tatum is so clutch. Anyway, I think I found the photo. Let's get editing. I thought giving the gift of photography, as Jared Pollan once said, printing out a photo that means something to someone is a really cool way to gift something, because it means that they get a memory and a moment and a time and a person, or in this case, MJ the dog. Just a real lasting memory that can hang on the wall forever or until you want to put something else up. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's a pretty cool idea.
That look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this body's fine. I'm sorry, it doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing, heart is beating. I'm waiting for
I love making these cards.
consequences of it. Why do we keep falling down? When it's always the affected ground. We got time to make this right. But it's all we keep falling down.
Alright, so we're all printed out, time to drive home, pack a bag, and then let's go to Rosie's and surprise her with the gift of photography. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Probably would have had the reds a little bit more saturated and the oranges, but turned out pretty good. Alright, so we're all done, we're all printed out, and I'm about to go buy some ice cream and some lollies and stuff, because we're about to make a bit of an ice cream cake for Christmas Day tomorrow. And I need to swing by the bowl shop and buy my best mate's dad a carton, because I did lose a bet to him a while back, and it's time to pay up. So anyway, let's just click and we'll be at Rosie's. Alright, we're here, let's go take her the goods.
Heart is beating. I'm waiting for the
Surprise, mother.
Why do we keep falling down? When it's
Hello, MJ. Oh,
we got time to make this right.
I love it. MJ, that's you. Oh, thank you so much. I love it.
Nothing to see here, please.
Alright, so she really enjoyed the surprise, so that was a massive win. Today's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Anyway, I'll probably see you guys in the New Year's.
And a Happy New Year.
So I might just leave you with a bit of a montage for the rest of my Christmas Day. So in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't see the music suggestion earlier on, it was Under Oath. Alright, bye. Bye.